Harika Bale and I am from Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh. So I completed my graduation in 2019 in Electrical and Electronics Engineering from Bale College of Engineering. I always interested in EV technology, so I want to know how these electric vehicles are working. So for that I need some platform to understand how these are working, how EV technology is there, what are its basics. So when I'm searching where we can learn all these things, I came across the Skill-Lync from social media. In Facebook and Instagram I saw some ads. So I'm interested in that one because not many platforms are there to learn about the EVs. So I consulted them. They gave some good info, how the course will work, what can we learn, what are the other subjects we can learn extra, what are the types of softwares we can learn. So they explained everything. Like my side also I started to searching whether it is available or not. In YouTube there are many videos of the students, how they got placed, what are their achievements through the Skill-Lync. So I went through all these things. So finally I took the decision to learn through the Skill-Lync. When coming to the EV, the most important parts coming to the battery, converters, and how we are storing the electrical energy and how we are using, how the vehicle is running with that much efficiency. Like all these things are learned here. So when we have to understand how all these work, we have to simulate the whole vehicle. So all these simulations are done in MATLAB. So I learned about the MATLAB and Simulink. In college also there will be MATLAB and Skill-Lync, like some basics will be there, but in the college they won't have that much simulation, how like complex projects, all those won't be there in the college. So in the Skill-Lync I get to know about all these complexity, how actual company works with big projects, big simulation projects. So I all learned in the MATLAB from the Skill-Lync. Coming to the projects I have done in the MATLAB, the main part is the electric vehicle. So basic components like motor, battery, how we are using those components, like how they are acting with each other. All these are simulations are made in MATLAB. When coming to the projects I have done, I have designed the battery based electric vehicle. Using this battery we can simulate how much the life performance of the battery is there. How it will get affected in the temperatures, like different temperature conditions will be there. So how the battery will perform, because battery is the main component in the electric vehicle. We can't put aside the battery performance. So this simulation is made in one of my projects. And next, coming to next project, a basic electric e-rickshaw model is made in my project. So in North India, we can see electric e-rickshaw is mostly used for the transportation of passengers from one place to another. Mostly those are also working on the electric battery only. So how this e-vehicle is running with the electricity is made in the project. In this project, when we come, lithium-ion battery is the mostly used, and with the DC motor, and how we are giving the acceleration and braking commands with certain drive cycle. So drive cycle may be different from one place to another, because based on the traffic conditions we can give different drive cycles. So all these simulations are made in the MATLAB only. Whenever there is specific skill set required by the company, on that particular skill set they will train us. One company needed embedded programming only in C, like this one. So they make us prepare by giving many training programs, many training classes, more classes will be there. After each classes there will be assessment test. So based on the assessment test we can analyze our performance. So it is very useful when coming to the actual interview process. For myself, after clearing the assessment test, I got some confidence, which made me realize that okay, I can attend the interviews for the actual companies. and even after the assessment test they give some training programs like how we have to face interview and resume writing. So basically most of the students will lost their chance in the interviews because of the resume. So resume writing is also very important. So customer success team always makes us sure to write the resume perfectly. Whenever there are any mistakes, they'll inform us to correct it. And we are updating the resume for every 2 to 3 weeks, and we are sending them, and they'll again give us some tips to improve them. So this is the very good thing from the success team. Actually, in LinkedIn also some of the students will ask me like, is it really reliable or not to join in the Skill-Lync? I face some of my friends also asked me. So I'm already doing this course. I told them maybe if you can if you can spend most of your time in studying this course, it is definitely will be useful for you. Even if you want to do higher studies, based on this course we can definitely get a job.